Hello, so this is Kadirvel. So today we are going to see about the DFA machine creation. So under the DFA machine creation, we have three categories. So first string ending with the, so string starting with the, and another one, if a string is a substring, right? So first we are going to see the ending with. So input they will give. So if the input is the string is ending with something letters or something inputs, that inputs should be accept the final state, right? So that is a condition. Let us take example. So 100, right? So if my input string may be anything, but if it is ending with 100, that should reach the final state. So that is a condition. Let us take example. So 00100, second one 0100 and third one 100111. Let us take. So we have take three example. So you see, so what is the ending with the 001? So we have reached the 100. So it should reach the final state. And see here also 001, so 100 should reach the final state. And you see here, so 111. So it's ending with 100? No. So definitely if you take this string for your ending with category as a 100, it should not reach the final state. So that is a condition, right? So for that we are going to create a machine. So how the way we are going to create, so that we will see now, right? So first of all, so we will see the tuples of DFA. So we have the 5 category. First one Q, second one sigma, third one del, and fourth one Q naught, and last one F, right? So we already know, so what is the Q? So Q is the finite set of states. So what we have already, so 100 is the ending with, right? So usually you take a Q naught as a starting state, right? So starting state, and we take a letter sigma, right? So next one Q1, right? So you can mention a ending with also, right? So ending with, so ending with the sigma. Second one Q1, right? So that one, so ending with the, you take, what is the first letter we have? 1. First input 1. Second one Q2. So ending with the, you take 1 and 0. So 10. If a string ending with the 100, it should reach the Q2 state. So that is the mean. If a state it's read the 1, it should reach the Q1. So that is the mean of that. Last one Q3. If a state it read the 100, that state should reach the Q3. So that is the mean of ending with the 100. We have mentioned the letter Q3, right? So next one sigma, right? So what is the mean of sigma? So finite set of input strings. Finite set of input string, right? So what are all the input string we have? So 1 and 0 only we have. So zeros and ones, right? So del is the mapping function. We will see that. And next one Q naught. So Q naught is the mean of starting state. So what is the starting state? Q3, Q2, Q1, Q0. So Q0 is the starting state, right? So what is the final state we have? Q0, Q1, Q2, Q3. So Q3 is the final state. Q3 is the final state, right? So we have derived the tuples in a DFA, right? So now we will see the how to do the transition table for the machine ending with the DFA, right? So transition table, right? So what are the states we have? Q0, Q1, Q2 and Q3, right? So what are the inputs we have? Zeros and 1, right? So we already mentioned, so if a state if my input is sigma, right? So what is the state? Q0. If my input is 1, so what is the state? Q1. If my input is 10, so what is my state? Q2. If my input is 100, that is the Q3, right? So Q0 is the starting state and Q3 is the final state. We will mention like that. Now the new method we will see. So how the way you are going to do the transition table in the sense, right? So first you need to do the cross multiplication sigma and 0, right? Next one sigma and 1, right? Now listen, right? So sigma and 0, any direct state is there, sigma and 0? No. If it is not like that, you do the crash of sigma. Now you check the 0 alone. 0 alone anywhere is there? No. Now you do the crash. So if all the alphabets, all the inputs are crashed, you need to mention what is the starting state? Q0. So Q0 is the answer for this one, right? Next to one, crash sigma and 1. So if you do the sigma and 1 anywhere direct is there? No. Then you do the crash of sigma and 1 alone is there. So anywhere 1 alone is there? Yes. That is Q1. Next 1 and 0. 1 and 0 and 1 and 1, right? 1 and 0 anywhere is there? Yes. Where? Q2. So Q2 is the answer. And 1 and 1 anywhere is there? No. Then you do the crash of 1 and 1 alone is there. So Q1 is the answer, right? Next to 1, 1 0 0. 1 0 0 anywhere is there? Yes. So Q3 is the answer. And 1 0 1 anywhere is there? No. Then you do the crash of 1 and 0 1 alone is there. So 0 on anywhere is there? No. Then you do the crash of 0. 1 alone anywhere is there? Yes. Where? Q1. So Q1 is the answer. Next one, 1 0 0 and crash 0. So 1 0 0 anywhere is there? No. Then you do the crash 0 0 0 anywhere is there? No. 0 0 no. So 0 no. So if all the inputs are crashed, so what we told? So what is the output we need to say? So what is the starting state? Q0. So Q0 is the answer for this one, right? Next to 1 0 0 1. 1 0 0 1 anywhere is there? No. 0 0 1 no. 0 1 no. 1 yes. Where? Q1. So Q1 is the answer. So we completed the transition table. Now we are going to see the transition diagram. So what are the states there? Q0, Q1, Q2 and Q3, right? So Q3 is the final state. So we already know we should mention a double circle. So what is the starting state? Q0. So Q0 is the starting state. We should mention like this, right? So when the Q0 read a 0, what is the output? Q0 is the output, right? So Q0 it's take a 1, so Q1 is the output. Q1 it take a 0, Q2 is the output. Q1 it take a 1, Q1 is the output. Q2 is take a 0, Q3 is the output. Q2 it's take a 1, Q1 is the output, right? Q3 it's take a 0, 0 is the Q0 is the output. Q3 it take a 1, Q1 is the output, right? Now we already checked the 3 category. Now we will check, we have derived the transition diagram. So whether the transition diagram is matched with this one or not, we need to check, right? Now you take 0 0 1 0 0 is accepted, we told. Now we will check the transition diagram. So 0 0 1 0 0. So it's accepted now, right? Second category 0 1 0 0 1 0 0. So this is also correct. And now this one you see, so last 3 digits are not a 1 0 0. So we told this is not accepted. So whether this criteria is matched with our diagram or not, we need to check, right? So 1 0 0 1 1 1 1. So this is also correct. So now, so we have defined, so very easy method. So creation of the DFA machine, it's ending with the category. So thank you.